Did you know that a minor traffic violation can actually land you in ICE custody? I'm going to tell you how and how to deal with this. We now have state laws that are allowing law enforcement to ask immigrants, or if they suspect that the driver is an immigrant, ask them for their identification and check their immigration status. If they suspect that the driver is a deportable immigrant, they can actually hold them in custody and put ICE on notice. ICE can then put a hold on the immigrant to stay in the jail for 48 to 72 hours, depending on the state. ICE can now decide if you don't have your papers to legally be here, then they can pick you up. As we enter the new administration, I'm pretty sure this is going to be very common. Now, here's how to deal with a situation like this. If you're stopped by police, you are not obligated to answer questions. You still have constitutional rights, and that's your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Now, keep in mind that this could be very helpful to you because if you open your mouth and disclose any information about your immigration status, then the officer can use that against you and can contact ICE at that point that they've verified your immigration status. What you can do is exercise your right by expressing to the officer that you are going to remain silent and you need to have your attorney present. If ICE does come to the jail to speak with you or to even pick you up, it's still not the time to start blabbering. I know it's hard and I know it's hard to stay calm, but remain silent. Your attorney in this case is going to be your friend. There is a chance that during the 48 to 72-hour period, ICE will not pick you up. However, the more you give to the officers is the more reason for the officers to provide information that ICE needs to determine they will come and get you. Also, make sure you empower yourself. Now, I help immigrants to stay here, even if you're here without your papers, even if you've overstayed your visa. There are situations that can allow you to stay and get your immigration status legally while in the US. Of course, you don't want to wait. You want to be ahead of the game by exploring those options. If you need help, give us a call, but it's always best to jump on it and get started early. Know your rights and empower yourself before anything happens.